Lexi, raise the roof. Raise your roof, Alexis. Good kid. Raise the roof. Lexi, raise the roof. You're a good girl. Okay. Bella. Raise the roof, Bella. Raise the roof. Oh, you're a good girl. She says, okay. Are you a good girl, Bella? Bella. Here we go. Lexi. Raise the roof, Lexi. Raise the roof. It's a good girl. Bella. Raise the roof, Bella. Raise the roof. He's a good girl. Okay, Doug. Doug. Sit. Okay. You okay. Don't take my hand off. Don't take my hand off. Be a good boy. Good boy. I'll be damned. Lexi. Raise the roof, Lexi. Raise the roof. Okay, good girl. Bella. Raise the roof, Bella. Raise the roof. It's a good girl. Your haircut's terrible. Yes, it is. Oh, Doug. You're just pitiful. Here you go. You get one just for being alive, I guess. Oh. You need to thank Destiny for all your treats. Yes.